What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to see blocked numbers on your iPhone and unblock contacts. Sometimes you might block a number by mistake or decide later that you want to unblock someone. Whether it's a friend, family member, or an important contact, checking your blocked list and unblocking a number is quick and easy. Open the Settings app and scroll down to the Apps section. Here, you will see a list of all apps on your device. On this list, scroll down until you find the Phone app and tap on it. If you don't want to scroll, you can use the search bar at the top of the Settings app and type Phone to find it faster. Once you're on the Phone settings page, scroll down and look for Blocked Contacts. Tap on it, and you will see a list of all the numbers and contacts you've blocked. If you want to unblock someone, simply swipe left on a number or contact you wish to remove from the blocked list. An Unblock option will appear. Tap it, and that number will be removed from the blocked contact list. Once unblocked, that person will be able to call, message, or FaceTime you again. If you ever want to block a number again, you can do so by going to the same blocked contact section and tapping Add New. From there, you can select a contact to block from your list. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.